Now, question of the day, equivalent resistance between A and B. That point is A and that point is B. So, basically determine equivalent resistance between these two terminals. Okay, so how can be determined? Look that one. Okay, very carefully. No one look like series parallel in easy way. Okay, so if you see very carefully, these three are delta. Okay, if this one is converted into star, otherwise can use this one and this one are star converted into delta. Okay, clear or not? If you see very carefully, these three, this one is star, that one is converted into delta. Okay, now that is 36, this one is 36, that one is 18, that one is 18. Okay, that is 36 kilo ohm. If this one is P, that is P. Okay, and that is 18 kilo ohm, and that one is also 18 kilo ohm. Here X, here Y. Okay, P to X 13, P to Y 18. Okay, P to Z, that is 18. Okay, these three star in converted into delta. So that one, that one, that one. Okay, this is R1, here R2, here R3. How can we convert? I know that if this one is converted, R1 is written as 36 plus 18. This one plus multiplication of these two divided by that one. So that is 19 kilo ohm. And what about R2? R2 is this one. So 36 and 18. 36 plus 18 plus 36 into 18 divided by 18. Again, that is 90 kilo ohm. And R3, what about R3? R3 is written as this one plus this one, 18 plus 18 plus 18 into 18 divided by 36. That is 18 plus 18, that is 36. 36 plus 9, 45. 45 kilo ohm. Okay, now these three connect here. This one 6 kilo ohm after redraw the circuit. Okay, X, that point is X. Okay, now that is 54 kilo ohm, and here that one simply 2 kilo ohm, and that is 3 kilo ohm. Okay, Z, basically X, Z and Y, that one, that one and that one. R1 is how much? 19 kilo ohm. R2 is 19 kilo ohm, and that is 45 kilo ohm after conversion. Okay, and here that point is y and that point is z. So x to y, how much? 19 kilo ohm. Okay, x to y 19 kilo ohm. X to z, how much? 19 kilo ohm. And after that z to y, how much? 45 kilo ohm. 45 kilo ohm. Clear or not? If you see very carefully, that one is 6 kilo ohm. After that this one is 90 kilo ohm, and here 90 kilo ohm, and that one is how much? 54 kilo ohm, and that one is 45 kilo ohm, that one is 3 kilo ohm, and that one is 2 kilo ohm. Okay, and that is A terminal and that is B terminal. Okay, now after that, if you see very carefully, these two are parallel and these two are also parallel. So how can draw? How can solve? 54 plus 90 into 90 divided by 54 plus 90, that is 144. Okay, so how can resolve? First of all, 90 into 44 divided by 90 into 54 into 90, that is how much? Divided by 144, that is 33.75 kilo ohm, and here 3 into 45 divided by 48, so that value is 45 into 3, 150 135 divided by 48, that is 2.8125 kilo ohm. Okay, now the adding to these two point, that is 6 kilo ohm, that is 90 kilo ohm. After adding these two, 3.3 2.81 8125 plus 33.75, that is 36.5625 kilo ohm, and here 2 kilo ohm, that is A terminal and that is B terminal. Okay, now these two are again parallel, so combination of these two, 90 into 36.5625 divided by 90 plus 5625, so 90 plus 36, that one is written 35625 divided by how much? 126.5625. Okay, now 90 into 36.5625 divided by 126.5625, that is 26. We got 26. So 26 plus 2, this one is 6 kilo ohm and that is 26 kilo ohm, and that is 2 kilo ohm, that terminal A and that terminal B. These three are series, so R of AB is equal to, or you can say that represent here 26 plus 6, that is 32, 32 plus 2, 34, so 34 kilo ohm. So R of AB is 34 kilo ohm is the right answer. If any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay. Make it.